Okay, guys, here we are going live. How is everyone tonight? I hope everyone is doing fine. Oh, we have some major news tonight. Oh, shocking news tonight. How is everyone tonight? Hey, but I'm here. And hope everyone is well tonight. There is some big news tonight. Hey, why do I hear myself? Why do I hear myself? I should not be hearing myself. How is everyone on a night where, okay, Bitcoin isn't going anywhere, but there is a lot of drama everywhere else. Okay, there seems to be a lot of drama going on in crypto as usual. What's happening? So let's go and see what is going on. Oh, it's not 9 o'clock yet, so we're just pre-starting, okay, if there is such a thing. Anyway, if you guys have seen my Telegram group and all that, you might want to join the Telegram group there. I am going to have, a lot of people are asking me, okay, because I have put money into both IPOs and also crypto. So what's up? What is the difference between IPOs and cryptos? I have a session on Saturday the 25th. Unfortunately, this is going to be in the Malay because, my sessions in IPOs are in Malay. Okay, so if you do understand the Malay language, you might want to go there, okay, because it's probably the best source. I'm only one of the few people, or am I the only one? Yeah, guys, tell me this. Am I the only one that does IPOs or cryptos? I do not know that, okay? So, but again, it is coming on Saturday here, so you can register here. Wait, let me put it in. Let me put it in here, and yeah, you can register here, and I'm going to see you on Saturday, which is IPO versus crypto. Which one can actually make you rich or richer, or more richer or richers, or meet your financial goals? Okay, this is one of, yeah, it's kind of our goals, right? So you might want to go there. So let's go to the next one now. What is happening now? So let's go to Cointelegraph. There's a lot of news that's happening now on a day that Bitcoin isn't seeming to do anything. But first, let's look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. But maybe before we want to do that, we just see how Bitcoin is not really doing anything. Okay, let's go see here CoinGecko, what's happening there. There was another big airdrop last night. Not bad. I didn't expect this. Pyth is number 95, on the exchanges. So Bitcoin is going nowhere, but I kind of like to see this domination. Okay, it's below 49 again. I thought it would go above 51 because I wanted to peak up there. Ethereum 2011 back above 2000, went down to what, 1945 or something. BNB, pushing. XRP and all that. So Solana 56 was at 63 something. So everything seems to be correcting. I last saw Doge at 8, it's now 7.6. So everything seems to have caught a flu, a small flu, but a flu nonetheless. Okay, a flu nonetheless. Now, having said that, what is happening to the top 20 top coins, the top gainers? Oh, Radix, I haven't heard that for quite some time. Radix, BNB, interesting, 5%. This rarely pumps, but when it pumps, it can pump. I think their highest, what, $650. So yeah, it's only down like 55%, which is not bad at all. Okay, Maker, okay, 1004, one of the performers. Thorchain Rune, of course. Gate, another exchange here, and it's just quite surprising that this is pumping because a lot of exchanges are not doing well. Oh, Bitcoin Cash and also Litecoin seem to be back, which is very, very interesting here, okay? What else is happening down here? And let's see now what's happening else in the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. Because before we go to the real meat of the story here, and there is a real big story, okay? So let's go to the Crypto Fear and Greed. We are not at extreme greed yet. Or have we gone up to extreme greed and we didn't realize it? That's another issue now. Okay, we are, yeah. We have not gone to 80 yet. Okay, we could be in extreme greed very, very soon. So please be careful there. We're only at greed, but please be careful. If we do go to extreme greed, it could be very bad. And markets could fear a correction here. Now, here's another one. We are on the markets. We are at greed. We are at extreme greed, which is quite interesting because the S&P 500 did have its best run since the year 2020. You guys are asking now, okay, what happens then? Do we have a correction? This is where, guys, we need to look at the past. We need to look at cycles. So S&P 500 just had its best 3 weeks in 2020. What history says happen next? The rest of the year at the beginning of 2024 should be merry and bright as well, based on what has happened before. Hence, this basically shows you that our analysis is correct, especially for Bitcoin, right? We said that if it does have a very, very sweet September, a very bullish September, then we could see 3 months of bullishness, which is October, November, December. Looks like that. It looks like it should be a merry, and bright Christmas, especially 8 weeks. They say we have 3 weeks, put it to the beginning of the month. It should be positive on the 8th week, which will bring us towards the end of the year, meaning that, hey, there might be a Santa Claus rally. I'm all for Santa Claus rallies, okay? Really, guys, I'm really all for all the Santa Claus rallies and all that. So it means that it's probably in a buy the dip moment again. Okay, it's still in the buy the dip moment again. Now, let's go here. Now, this is of very, very big concern. A big, huge exchange just announced that it was closing down. But I've already tested it out for you guys. Don't worry. Let's go. Let's see what's happened here, which is why I told you guys it's important to have a wallet. Nobody listens. BitREX won't let me withdraw IOTA tokens to another wallet. I don't know. Yeah, I seem to have the same problem with BitREX. So crypto exchange BitREX Global to shut down. Look at this. There's everything there. The SEC is now really, with the ETF coming, the SEC is kind of like really flexing its muscles. Sues crypto company, Kraken for operating an unregistered exchange, coming for the exchange that house your funds. Then log in and withdraw your assets. Yes. Just be ready to put your assets in a wallet. What's happening here? Can we hear you?
After buying your cryptos, the safest practice is to send the cryptos into a self-custodial wallet. We all have seen the crazy saga of FTX and many other centralized platforms. So it is very imperative to understand that storing your cryptos on an exchange or a website carries a significant risk of you losing your money. When you store money on Binance, for instance, the entity essentially has full control over your funds. Centralized exchanges don't require the same level of compliance or the same insurance as your traditional banks have. Reasons why you should never store or leave large amounts of your funds on an exchange for the long term.
Yeah, usually what happens, you store your cryptos on a wallet, right? And then you bring it to an exchange. Maybe you want to do a perp on an exchange, but now there's a lot of perpetual DEXs anyway. But sometimes, sometimes the wallet is so complicated, you just leave it on an exchange, right? But as long as you spread it out. But again, just be ready, guys, because we do not know what the SEC is going now. They're going after a lot of people now. And I'm sad. I'm really sad to see BitREX go. I'm seriously, I'm sad. I'm quite bothered because I thought that it was one of the good guys. It was one of the better exchanges. Didn't give me any problems. So let's go to BitREX, okay, closing, and let's see what they have to say instead. Just came out today, right? Withdraw all your XTP or BitREX, put it on a MetaMask wallet. New exchange. Oh, we are being displaced by RixLex. Yeah, it's such a shame. It's such a shame that BitREX is really closing down. No joke. Let's see what BitREX Global, right? So account directed for customers outside the UK only. It is with great regret we inform you that BitREX Global has decided to wind down its operations. Effective Monday, December 4th, all trading activity on BitREX will be disabled. After that, customers will only be able to withdraw as part of the winding down process. Strongly encouraged to log in their accounts and withdraw their assets as soon as possible. So here is some alpha because I did this for you. Are you guys listening? I already did this for you. Okay, now what you want to do is really test this out. First, I want you guys to test this out with smaller numbers. Okay, let me go here. Please, whatever you do, Test out the process, guys. I don't know whether it's going to work or not. Some people had trouble with IOTA. I had trouble with IOTA, but it seems that you have to trade it on a certain mode before you can get it off the exchange. So maybe I need to convert mine into Ethereum and get it off via Ethereum. Maybe that's the way to do it. But one thing you want to do is this, is what you want to do is when you get it out of the exchange, number one here, please test it with small numbers first. And then when it works, and make sure it works, because this could be coming from a lot of weird wallets, right? And then go for big numbers, but you want to test with small numbers first. The withdrawal rates from this centralized exchange is not that much. I know, don't worry, you won't be charged all this Ethereum rates with gas going up like $20 to transfer my tokens, right? And then $15 during a cheap time. So always go from big to small. Now, I did test with BitREX. It was good. So this is what I say. I'm quite sad to see BitREX go. Seriously. I'm very sad. I was with them since 2017. My first exchange was actually Poloniex. Okay, guys, Poloniex. This was the second one, really. And then after that, I was also trading the Binance. And also it was Binance and KuCoin and the rest. So, Cryptopia and all that. Okay, that was gone too. And sad to let them go, but I have tested it out for you. For those of you that have on BitREX, just ensure that you are able to do it with a small number. First, let me show you. This is one of my withdrawals. The last vestiges, I had 11 to 13K RWeave. Of course, I sold almost all of them during the bull run, like 90% of it. Let's see here. I'm left with 1,000 tokens. Okay, I'm only left with 1,000 tokens for RWeave, like there. So remember, when you do this, I tested it out with the small ones. It was quite slow. My others were faster, okay, like Verge, but this was quite slow. This was the last of 13,000 RWeave that I used to have. The thing that went up to a lot, like $89 and all that, which I bought at 37 cents. So test it out with the small one and then go with the bigger number, okay? And then you have everything out of the exchange. I put it in HTX. And again, you want to put it on a wallet, or you can put it on another exchange. Again, why you want to put it on a wallet is safer, it's yours, but why you want to put it on another exchange? Because RWeave uses its own wallet, guys. I just do not want the complexity of having to handle another wallet. Oh my God, I'm already up to my head here with the MetaMask wallet, with the so many types of different L1s and L2s. I'm up here to my head with like Solana wallet, with Phantom wallet. Congratulations, for you guys got the Python Network airdrop, and that has to be withdrawn through a Solana wallet. I'm already up to my head with Aptos and all that, right? So I really don't have time to really learn about another wallet, but then be safe, okay? So Oshi token has November. Oh gosh. They just landed and then they're going away. Come on, guys. Oshi, don't do that. What happened there to BitREX? Oh boy. So it's really, really sad. But yeah, life moves on. So I think this is really a different type of era now. Really, really saddened by all this. Okay. So anyway, let's go to coin market cap. So I hope you guys are safe in getting your tokens out if you have anything there, okay? And please, 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 whatever you do, please be ready with a wallet of your own, and ensure, please, 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 that you do know how to use the wallet. So I hope you guys did you guys attend my wallet class? Come on, guys. I cannot afford to do live wallet classes anymore. Let me clean this up and do it as a public service for you. Maybe I put it on YouTube. Okay, guys, I cannot. Yeah, I know. See, this guy's been calling me, Sensei, can you have another live class? Yeah, right. When I have the live, you don't come. I can't have live every time, guys. Come on, give me a break, man. When I have it, please come, okay? If not, you just can go into the thing and go to the Telegram group, the dots there, and maybe you'll get an answer from me, okay? So again, this is very, very key. I want to go now to Cointelegraph. That's sorry for being pissed off, but come on, guys. You want to give class for me every day? When am I supposed to catch up with crypto? Crypto changes every day. Don't you guys realize that we crypto gurus, we don't even want to do private coaching? It's too much time to have a 3-hour class. I'm going to spend at least 3 to 4 hours to prepare. To have a 1-day class, I have to spend like 2-3 days to prepare. When am I going to catch up? I can't have class every day. So please take the responsibility. When I am having free class, please come. You know, or I'm going to start charging. Okay, so now whatever it is. So what's notorious BID? Below stall 38K. Well, 38K was always our target. I hit like and then went down. What's notorious BID? Whale. I'll bring back the status quo. Oh, okay, with clarity. Fine. What is notorious big? I thought notorious big. Rematch 18-month highs as order book activity gives one a sense of deja vu. What is the deja vu here? BTC price momentum top at 37,770, 37.4, remain in range. Okay, cool. A major liquidity provider, which informally called the notorious BID, could be shaping bid once again. Bid liquidity has come and gone at 33,000 7 times in the past 30 days. Okay. Notorious BID, we've seen this game played before. So tell me what happened next. According to one accompanying snapshot of BTC as liquidity, sellers lining up and immediately below 38. So they're stopping it there, right? So the whales has to clear this between 1 million and 10, which are only at the court. So, others are decreasing exposure. Okay, so who is behind the buy order? The bid wall at 33K disappeared again, and brown mega whales brought the resistance at the local top again. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so, but how? Okay, but no way. Yeah, we'll see how this is done. Okay, but again, this is the game of the whales now. Swift breakdown could follow a tap of 40. Michael van der Popper, refused to take 40,000 off the table. Well, we know from the head and shoulder, it could go to 48. I don't think so. I think 38 to 40 is it. Breakout towards 40K. I'm not surprised also, but I think that that is a sell because the cycle does show a sell because whatever it is this month, November, wait a minute, October is only more bullish than September. November is going to be more bullish than October, which is like, hey, what do you want, guys? What do you want? Seriously, look at that. Oh, look at that, right? RSI are moving up. So, hey, the cycle was already correct. Well, what are you guys waiting for? You know, can't have everything. Yeah, let's see this. Let's see this, guys. I just want to see here. Oh, this is not good. 37,147. Let's go and see what's happening here. I'm going to change this to week, okay? I'm just going to change this to week. I want to see the week starting in September. Wow. So if you see here, right, September. So September was surprisingly bullish here, right? September was surprisingly bullish here. And boom, we kind of scaled this high in October, right? What is it? 34. And now we're at 37. So if we can hold this, we are already fulfilling the prophecy. Okay. I don't know if we can continue fulfilling the prophecy here, right? So guys got to really be really careful of all of these things here, right? So some of the altcoins seem to be moving. Ethereum seems to be stalling here. Ethereum, I don't know. Ethereum is like really weird. It's not really moved up that much compared to other altcoins also. So it's kind of weird for me, you know, not to have really Ethereum. It's like, when is Ethereum going to move? When Ethereum, this is the other issue here. When is Ethereum going to move? Could take some time. Maybe it's going to move after the Bitcoin moves. So, but probably Bitcoin has to challenge 40, fail, steady, try to challenge several times. Then the money is going to flow to Ethereum because that's all it is. It's about Bitcoin trying to make a new high, failing, and then the money flowing into Ethereum and all of the alts. But it's not bad. The thing is this, okay? You got to remember in all of this, there's another one here. I was just talking about rug pull. First, I gave you the bad news about this, right? I gave you the bad news about the BitREX closure, but it's okay. I've tested it out. Gotten most of my tokens out. Probably be working tonight to get the rest of my tokens out, okay? So what is this? This is about DYDX founder behind the exploit. This is the YFI exploit, okay? So the founder of the protocol DYDX took X to share the findings of the investigation with loss of 9 million in insurance funds. Is it an exit scam? So people thought it was an exit scam. Was it? Because this caused, yeah, this wasn't on the DYD exchange, but this caused this one. This caused target long positions of the YFI tokens on the exchange. I mean, this was one of the stars of the DeFi summer in 2020, right? Together with Maker and Compound. Wi-Fi just went up to the moon there. It really defined DeFi summer. You could be a millionaire just buying Wi-Fi, you know? Amazing, right? Catalyst behind the draw Wi-Fi token. The trade-in wiped out 300 million in market cap from this. So remember, that was the exploit, guys. Can you see that? It went from like 15,000. Let's go daily here. It makes it more dramatic, right? 15,000 to 8,000. Was it? What did it go? Wow, 8,000 half. But look at that before this, right? It was just struggling around here, around here, around here. Look at that. It's just going like here, happily along its way to 4, 7, 5. Rested at 5 and 6, and boom, 6 all the way to 16, and boom. This was because of the exploit of the Wi-Fi. Was it a rug pull? I don't know. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't, but certainly it has really like impacted the belief that we have in Wi-Fi, right? Let's see Wi-Fi here. YFI. Yeah, YFI. Is it a rug pull? I'm just gonna go here. Rug pull. This wallet brought this Wi-Fi and then transferred to wallet 7 hours ago. So it wasn't a rug pull. Okay. Okay. So this wallet made 1.2 million from 7 to 5K. This wallet sent Wi-Fi to exchange. Okay. I don't know what happened. It wasn't a rug pull. So, so whatever. Arkham. Yeah, they were using Arkham to use this. Okay. Arkham is another tool, a very useful tool so that you can see the movements of the whales. So was this a rug pull? So he's saying that it's not a rug pull. It's probably a normal movement of manipulation by the big traders. Again, just dropped more than 45%. It's stored in just 10 wallets, and rumors are going on that someone within the YFF team intentionally created this rug pull. Well, if it wasn't a rug pull, what was it? Was it a soft rug pull? Okay, so again, look at that. That is like that is like historical here. Okay, so next what we want to do is really go in, guys. If you want to know now, you know, the Malaysian stock market, I think is really, really about to explode now. So a lot of people are asking me, hey, we want to go into IPOs. We want to go into that. Well, okay, here it is, guys. If you want to know the difference between IPOs and cryptos, I have a session, but it's in Malay. But it is on Saturday, okay, 9:30 to 1, IPOs versus cryptos. So I go to you the difference between IPOs versus cryptos. Of course, cryptos is more risky, but IPO requires much, much more capital. So you might want to really take a look at this on Saturday. It is on Zoom, and I might have some sweet offers on you here, okay? Because it is a Black Friday weekend. Let's see what I come up with Black Friday, or maybe I don't come out with anything on Black Friday. So we are going to look at the various opportunities here. You know, we're going to go through all of this. What are the new stocks coming up here? Of course, Malaysia is all about semiconductor, right? I did tell you guys before, right, that a war will push up demand for semiconductors. A lot of things are being destroyed. Semiconductors basically are driving the electronics industry. I did go to a talk with Unisem conducted by the CEO of Unisem. This was part of Capital Dynamics, Tan Teng Boo, okay? Tan Teng Boo, and he did say that he was very, very bullish on Malaysia, which is very rare, okay? Tan Teng Boo, bullish on Malaysia. So he did tell us why, and I'm going to tell you why on that date. I was quite surprised of his reason too. Totally out of the box. I did not expect it. So he says that it's time to buy Malaysian stocks, betting on positives change. I will tell you what it is, but it does make sense. I'm like, when it first came, it's like, ooh, did not expect that. One of the things that I did not expect on the reason, but it does make sense because we do see something in Malaysia that we have not seen for a long time. It's about time. And I'm sure that if we give Malaysia this chance, of course, Malaysia can perform. So the link is there, right? Just sign up on the Zoom there. And let's see on the electronics thing. So there are a lot of IPOs coming up. Now, let's go and see here. I'm on the Bursa site. What's happening here, guys? What's happening here? I'm just going to go here to see the IPOs because I do make a lot of money in IPOs. Also, more about 400,000 ringgit. From cryptos, about 271,000 ringgit at last count. I'm gonna just go and see here IPO summary. Do you have prospectus summary? Okay, let's go and see IPO summary here. Yeah, let's see what's happening in the year 2023. Okay, we have Panda. Well, that didn't do too well. We have Plytech, but we have a few more coming up. And let's see here. And I'm just gonna go here and I'm just gonna go to prospectus. Let's go see prospectus, right? One more, a good one I think is CPE Technologies because this is really, really coming up. Let me show you how juicy this is. Yeah, let's see prospectus exposure. Don't be shocked by this, okay? I'm sure you all will be shocked or shocked. I don't know, shocked or shocked, okay? So here it is. No, it's not here. They don't have it here, okay? I was looking at prospectus exposure. Let's go to, okay, I'm gonna go here. Okay, let's put it here. Let's go Tan Teng Bu. Yeah. We know you're bullish. I'm just gonna show you as a matter of closing this discussion here of the performance. I know you are going to be shocked of the performance of Malaysian stock, especially technology stock. Remember, Malaysia is the champion, okay? Malaysia is really the champion of electronics and semiconductors. I'm not sure about software. But I'm going to show you something of the performance of Malaysia stocks. Not as great as this, right? Not really as great as those guys in this, right? In ICOs, but hey, we get a lot in IPOs and their performance is really, really quite good. Okay, so let me show you this performance here. One moment. Do not be shocked by this. I think some of them really approach ICO type performance, and when you get 60 to 70,000 ringgit allocation, yeah, I'm sorry guys, these things can be quite substantial. Also, one moment as we see this. I know you guys are waiting, right? So let's just change this out. Okay, let me see here. Okay, there it is. So again, look at here. Okay, look at here, right? Look at here. Upstar, first day, 285%, IT Max 29%, SFP Tech 123, Coraza 130, 70, 21. And if you hold it, Great Tech goes 1,000%, UWC 1,200%. Oh, wow. I didn't know that. Coraza is like 100%. IT Banks went up 60%. This went 150%. And SFP that went 900%. So in the IPO world, especially for technology, we also have 1,000% going up 10 times, right? 9 times, 10 times over time, which is like an ICO, right? Or an IDO, right? Because you got to wait over time, right? And talking about ICOs and IDOs, you look at Pyth here, right? Just wait, guys, just wait. It was at 40 cents, it was doing off the market at 40 cents, came down about 30 cents and now holding very well. So this is not like the past where they just go down. They seem to be going very well here and then going up. So this is also like IPOs, okay? And let's see Celestia. Okay, I hate to say this, okay? I sold early, okay? I know you guys can laugh at me. I sold early because I was still in the old mode where these things went down and never came up. But look at this. It just went down to 43 and then boom, 713. 713, guys, 713, guys. So the good thing is that in Malaysia, look at this, 700%. Now, IPOs might take a longer time, but the point is that they do and can and are more than capable, right? They do and can and are more than capable of doing whatever they want to do, okay? So let's go here. Remember that these are also capable of doing this. So again, just sign up for my class on Saturday. I'm just going to do this as interesting. It will be in Malay, unfortunately. I don't know if AI can translate it. But, you know, there's a lot of Malay speaking community members that, you know, are in IPO and also are in crypto. And they want to know the truth of this. So is it going to be IPOs? Or is it going to be cryptos? Which one is going to make you rich? So thank you very much, guys. I am in Alustar now. I'm in a hotel in Alustar. Very nice hotel. This is my hometown. And I'm going to hope to see you soon, guys. Okay, guys. I'm going to see you later. Bye. So sign up for my class on Saturday comparing IPOs and also cryptos. Bye-bye, guys. See you. Hey, I can't. I can't seem to stop this. Okay, guys. See you. Bye.